Hello, my name is Mini Sethi. Today I am going to discuss about summary of extraordinary book. Book name is The Miracles of Your Mind by Joseph Murphy. In this book, Murphy tells us inner working of our subconscious mind, which encourage people to use infinite power of subconscious mind. This book consists so many techniques to achieve health, wealth, success and peace of mind. Okay, so let's start it. According to Dr. Murphy, we all have one mind, okay, but it has two different phrases. One is conscious mind, other one is subconscious mind. Your conscious mind is your logical mind. Your conscious mind can think logically. Your conscious mind can make differences between right and wrong. On the other hand, your subconscious mind cannot think logically. Your subconscious mind cannot make differences between right and wrong. Your subconscious mind, as it is, accept belief of your conscious mind. Keep in your mind, your subconscious mind, as it is, accept belief of your conscious mind. Whatever you consciously believe, your subconscious mind, as it is, accepted it without making any argument. Most important thing, once your subconscious mind accept the belief of conscious mind, it start work on it and finally it's become your reality. Okay. For example, if a person repeatedly say, I don't like mushroom, I don't like mushroom, and whenever he eat mushroom, he will definitely get indigestion. Why? Because in his conscious mind, he has negative belief about mushroom. That's why her subconscious mind produce negative result, because your subconscious mind, as it is, accept belief of your conscious mind. Similar, if a woman says that coffee awake her at 3 o'clock night, she want to say that coffee disturb her sleep. Whenever she drink coffee at night, her subconscious mind makes sure that she woke up at 3 o'clock night. Okay. Similar, if you say, repeat again and again, I don't have a skill, I don't have a capacity, I don't have I cannot do anything else. If you repeat this kind of affirmation again and again, then you definitely receive these kind of circumstances, event in which you are not able to show your skill, confidence, because your subconscious mind work on the belief of your conscious mind. Whatever you consciously believe, according to it, your subconscious mind work. Okay, this is reality. But most of the time, most of the people says that why positive thinking not work. They says that they think positive, but it doesn't work. Okay, author says that our positive thinking not work because we think positive for few seconds, but after few seconds we divert our attention towards negative thinking. For example, a sick person using positive affirmation, I am becoming healthy, I am curable, but after few seconds he divert his attention towards negative thinking. How can I be healthy? He creates so many doubt whether I will cure or not. These kind of negative statement make ineffective their previous positive statement. Okay, it is like a surgeon. When a surgeon operated on you, okay, when a surgeon operated on someone, cut his appendix, okay, and open up it again. Okay, after some time period he ran back and opened up again whether it is curing or not. Okay, so after few seconds he ran back again and opened up again to see whether it is curing or not. He is repeating this process in many times, again and again. By doing this, he is definitely kill the patient by poisoning. Similar, you are killing your healing by creating so many negative statement. Okay, author says that there is only one universe healing principle. There is only one universe healing principle, that is your subconscious mind. If you believe bones of dead sant will heal you, or if you believe power of certain water for healing, you will definitely heal. Author says that psychiatric, psychologist, osteopath or physician, all group use power of subconscious mind for healing. Okay, all group claims healing is due to their own theory, but truth is your faith, your power of your subconscious mind. Whatever you believe in your conscious mind, your subconscious mind give result accordingly. Okay, everything is your faith, everything is your belief. It is true, when you don't believe on treatment of particular doctor, you will not get relief, but if you believe, you definitely get relief, because everything is your faith. Okay, author says that people want health, wealth and relationship. People want good health, wealth, money and relationship, but they have so many negative belief about that. For example, people want wealth, people want money, but they have so many negative belief about money. Money is cause of all evil, we never afford this, jealous from rich people. By doing this, they have lack of money, because they are creating so many negative emotion, they set so many negative belief about money, that's why they have lack of money. Author says that if you want health, wealth and relationship, you must be set positive belief about it. Okay, then author says that you can get rid of your fear by using power of your subconscious mind. Author share example of singer. She has very beautiful voice, but she has stage fear, she afraid to sing. She use positive affirmation like, I can sing beautifully, I sing beautifully, I am calm, I am confident. By using this affirmation, she gave wonderful audition and she never have a stage fear. Okay, if you want to easily convey your message in your subconscious mind, if you want to easily convey your belief in your subconscious mind, you need to follow these 3 steps. First step is get silent, relax and breathe easily. First step is get silent, relax and breathe easily. Second step, think about power within your subconscious mind. Think about power within your subconscious mind. Then start your affirmation. For example, you want to improve your health, start affirmation. I am my health is improving day by day, I am becoming healthy day by day, I am becoming very energetic day by day. Keep in your mind, when you are using affirmation, you don't have any bitterness in your heart, you must forgive everyone else. Okay, or repeat this 3 steps 3 or 4 times a day. You will definitely get a relief, because your subconscious mind is very powerful. This is short summary of book The Miracles of Your Subconscious. I think you got understood. Thank you.